Yo, what's poppin', guys? Today I'm gonna be talking about a problem that I think Scratch has. Oh, you're complaining about Scratch again, Deku. Yeah, I'm complaining about Scratch again. If you didn't watch my last Scratch complain video, I complained about all the platformers. And does that statement still hold up? Not as much. There's not quite as much, but that's still a lot of what it is in the games. Just a whole bunch of platformers. But it's not what I want to cover today. Today I want to cover the people that steal games. Now I'm not talking about the people that go to a game and they edit nothing and they remix it and then say it's their own and like say they did, I don't know, whatever. I'm talking about the people that literally take the project and then upload it so that it doesn't say remixed. I'm going to demonstrate how these people do this. And I'm not saying this. I'm not saying go do this. This isn't like tutorial on how to get rid of the name in the thing, so people will think that it's your game, but it's not your game. It's somebody else's game. But yeah, so let's say we find a game we really like. Like let's just look at this. I've never seen this game before, but we're just gonna come in and take a look at it. Well, wait for it to load. Dots are so scary. Yeah, okay. So here we go. I'll play a little bit of the game. I'll play a little bit. Statistics. Oh. Ah, cool. Alright. Let's play. Ooh. Mute that. Mute that. Mute that. Okay, so look. We just have to dodge the balls for as long as we just gotta dodge the balls as long as possible. Pretty fun game. Just don't hit the balls. Have a good time. Oh, look, that one splats into a little turret. See how long we can survive, I'm guessing the game is. Game is just guess how long we can survive. Yeah, I'm going to do that and get them all piled up. Alright. Cool and interesting game, right? Super neat idea. I think it is. It's a cool game. Just plays a little ball, dodge a bunch of other balls that are throwing a bunch of stuff at you. Good game. Now let's say I'm not a good programmer in Scratch, and I don't want to do all the work. I don't want to do all the work myself to make a game that's this good, right? So I'm like, well, I could come in. Hit remix, and then hit share. Right? I could do that. But that's not good. Then people are going to know, since I remixed it, that it's a remix and that I didn't make it and I didn't change anything, right? So what people will do is they'll find a way to get rid of this original project thing. Today I'm going to demonstrate how these people do that and explain to you why this is a very, very big problem. Why this isn't good. Alright, so first, I want to acknowledge HockeyCat88's very good work. Just because, I feel like it should. Look at this. Look at all this beautiful, beautiful code. It's a bit messy, but hey. Clearly a lot of time and effort went into this game. Right? Clearly they spent time on it and they're proud of what they came with. So it'd be really annoying if someone remixed it, if someone took it, claimed it was their own, and then let's say they got underfeatured and then they got credit for your game. Could you imagine how angry you would be? Could you imagine how unbelievably upset you would be? You would be so angry. So I'm going to demonstrate for you now how these people do this. So, what they'll do is, I'm just going to delete this from here so I can demonstrate again. Is they'll come to the Explore page, they'll find something they like. In our case, remember, it was Attack of the Dots by HockeyCat88. Definitely go follow. That's actually a really good game. You want to know how much I like the game? I'm just going to go ahead and like and favorite that because it's a super good game. Anyways, what they'll do is they'll click See Inside. And they get the good screen with all the cool code. And they'll do one of two things. No, they'll do one of three things. That's a lie. They'll do one of three things. One is they'll open up their backpack and they'll literally huck everything, every single file, like every single sprite, into their backpack. They'd hook every single one in and then go into their own thing, and then they'd place each and every one in, hit play, bam, runs exactly the same, which isn't good. That's bad, because it's not your game. You didn't do anything. Another thing they'll do is they might try to literally just copy code for code, right? Like they'll open a new tab, and they'll go back and forth and copy the code, script per script, for each of everything. Still copying, literally the exact same thing. Not changing anything. And just so you know, if you copy a game and like do this, like come in here and be like, boom, game changing. I just changed the game right there. See, I changed it a little bit, so it's my original work now. No, it isn't. It's not your original work. You changed the color. That's not anything special. Or like they'll do this. They'll like duplicate something and then go boom and then go boom. My brand new original work. You see, I added the brand new sprite. I added this brand new sprite, and now the game is far better than it was. Far better. Granted, do you ever see that? No, not really. Almost never, basically. But this is the garbage these people will do, and it's terrible. Like, why? What's the motivation? I don't understand. Is it just to get Scratch famous? I don't know. But now let me show you the way that I find most common that people pull this off. Alright, now I'm going to do it and I need you to watch real closely, alright? Here we go. They'll come up to File, and then they'll click Save to your computer. And then it downloads the game. Okay? Then what they'll do is they'll come and they'll create a new project. Have that load up. They'll click File, Load from Computer. Right? And then what they'll do is they'll load up the file. And they'll load in the blocks. The exact same game. And they'll change it to like... when dots attack. Then they'll hit share. And now this game is identical. And you realize something, I shared it. No remix. Do you see the problem here? Do you see the big problem here? They can just do that. That's so messed up. That's so awful. That people can just do that. And then like it'll work. It works for some people. And that's so messed up. But, you know, nothing Scratch can really do about it. I'm going to unshare this project. Because obviously it's not mine. Just demonstrating shut up, car outside. Just demonstrating purposes. But yeah, I just wanted to shed light to that. If you see a super good game made by, like, I don't know, someone at your school, and they're like, hey, look at this cool game I made. Consider the following. Check their files. See if they have the file. Check the Explore page. Check the Explore page. That's the big one. Check the Explore page and look for stuff. Or, like, the title they have. Type in the title, but in, like, a different order. Like, when dots attack, do, like, attack dots. Like, it was called Attack of the Dots, but if I do Attack Dots, alright, okay, it doesn't show up, but... Well, hello. But people will do this, and it's so messed up. It's so... It's sucky. It's sucky that people are like that. Anyways, so I'm gonna end it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you liked it, like it. Anyways, because if you haven't seen the new Discord, go join the Discord. Leave a link in the description below. Come join it. We have polls for stuff we're gonna do. A bunch of fun stuff. Pokemon bot. Every Discord server is Pokemon bot, but come on, have some fun with us. It's gonna be a nice time. So, like, there's polls for voting on what types of videos you can make. Even you can make video requests, all that kind of cool stuff. You can sometimes there's staff applications, Omni applications, which is stuff to record with the rest of the team. And then there's like webtoons. If you draw and you want to be an artist, go on, do that. So yeah, while you're at it, I want to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. That helped me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.